So hi guys, first of all, happy Mahashivaratri. I generally do not wish on any occasion, but one concept like which I firmly believe, one principle which I firmly believe is Adi Yogi. So since it is one of my favorite day for sure, so I'm wishing everyone happy Shivaratri. And this video is regarding exclusively for IPCC World Course students. You know what? Approximately, approximately there are 22,000 plus students. There were 22,000 plus students who have, failed in IPCC, who has to convert into new scheme at any cost because there is no one more extension. And there are three important things that you all have to do. Watch this video till the end. This will definitely change or bring some sort of enlightenment into your mindset, into your thought process. That is for sure. Now, so what are the things that I need to do? I'm an IPCC old course student and I failed in examination. What should I do? By the way, this video is not a motivational video. I'm here for giving some information to you, which is very important. Now, the first one, convert into new scheme. First and foremost thing is convert into new scheme. This conversion is not an automatic process. You have to manually apply for conversion in the self-service portal. Please, in the self-service portal, log in and there you will find the instructions on how to convert into new scheme. I think there is a fees of nominal 1,000 rupees which they will collect for conversion, for which they are giving you absolutely free of cost entire books. They are giving you full books like a physical hard copy from the ICI. You will get full books. So first and foremost thing, you have to convert. Sir, until what time I can convert? Up to March 13th or March 15th, I'm not exactly sure, but you have up to March 13th. I'm very much sure you have time limit up to March 13th, but don't wait up to that time. First apply for conversion, then immediately have to apply for examination form. First you should apply for conversion, then apply for exams. So do as soon as possible. Today is March 1st and I hope, I'm expecting you to finish this process by March 5th. What are they? First one, conversion into new scheme, and the second one, applying for the examination. These are the two things which you have to do within 5th March. Now, some of you might have this thought, sir, I failed many a times. Now what should I do? Should I convert into new scheme or should I leave CA course? That is why I added this one image in the above. Stop preparing and it is time for replacement. If you are an IPCC student, obviously you would have taken coaching at least 2 years or 3 years before, definitely. Not later than that. In the latest period, I think you would have not taken any coaching formally. Probably you might have taken faster classes or you might have taken crash courses in some, normal institutes. But remember, the coaching standards have improvised like anything, and the exam standards have improvised like anything. When many ask me what is the reason why IPC students fail so many times, only one answer I'll give. They are not updating themselves with the latest standards. It's not accounting or auditing. I'm talking about the standard of learning. They are not updating themselves about the standard of learning that is required at now. Almost from 2019, institute is asking in a very decent manner the examination. The paper was in very decent, very standardized. It is what actually required. This is what required from a CA student or CA. Being a qualified CA, this much standard is to be expected. But earlier, once upon a time, when you were taking coaching, the coaching was not at top-notch quality, almost mediocre institutes in the market, and also exam paper is also mediocre. Your preparation style is also mediocre. At max, what every IPCC student do for every examination, he will cover practice manual and amendments. Simply speaking, he is doing repairing job every time. But now it is time for you to replace your entire learning if you want to improve your success rate. I'm telling you, sir, by doing replacement of entire learning, will I definitely qualify? But I can assure you, if you do not do this, you will definitely fail. I cannot say you will definitely qualify, but if you don't do this, you will definitely fail. Is it better to have, to be in the list of definitely fail your list, or is it better to come out of that list? That is your choice. So now, how should I improve my success rate in the CA inter new syllabus? Okay, I am agreeing to convert into a new scheme. I will apply for examination for the new scheme. For the May attempt, hardly we are having 2 months of time. What should I do? You have to plan coaching and preparation simultaneously. Don't think they will take 12, 13 hours or 14 hours and all. Daily, you try to spend 9 hours. And you know what? For me, coaching itself is one method of preparation. For me, coaching is equal to 2 times preparation. Why, sir? How come it is? Even if you take your own old approach of, preparing, that will never match with the coaching that you are going to get now. Especially we at Sresta, we give what kind of quality we give. You can inquire in your friend circle or seniors. Today we are having a well-known reputation across South India especially, and of course even in the north we have from approximately 13-14 states admissions. Without begging for admissions, without calling, without doing any sort of commercial marketing, we are getting all these admissions only because of mouth publicity, strong mouth publicity and quality that we offer. So what we will give, if you want, we will give full-fledged regular course recording. Sir, what is it? Under subscription model. Just, 1 day ago, I uploaded what is approach to subscription model. You please watch that. Hardly for 8,000 rupees, you can get one single group full-fledged regular coaching. Now you will ask me, sir, okay, I listen to the class. When should I prepare? Arre man, you prepared already so many times. And now if you take coaching, what will happen? Your learning will enhance like anything. Your entire learning will be replaced with a new learning, which is equal to all, the coaching itself is one best way of preparation. Coaching is not separate from preparation. It is part of preparation. In fact, it is the main preparation. I always see students, sir, when will I revise? Should I revise 4 or 5 times? The focus is on revision, but not on the original preparation, which should be at the best. Many students do this common mistake. They hurry up the coaching, they hurry up the preparation, and they focus on revision. What is the use? You prepare one time thoroughly with rock solid, understanding with learning. See, you don't require revision. Maybe one time you require, that too day before exam. The slower you are revising, the higher time you take for revision, it clearly indicates your original preparation and coaching was not correct. Revision should be super fast. When you can do super fast revision? Only when you have absolute command over concepts, absolute command over the syllabus, without which you can't do revise faster. I can travel faster only in a route which I know. If the route is new to me, I can't travel fast even with the help of Google Maps. Same logic. So take coaching. There are so many concepts, I feel many students are thinking, sir, ITSM alone changed. SM it is same, no, and accounts also mostly same, only few chapters have changed. So it is not required coaching, sir, amendments I will attend. No, the level at which you need to learn has changed a lot. You are at least 3 years, like outdated. In terms of learning itself, you are outdated. Now the learning standard has to be improved. Please come out of the assumption that amendments alone is sufficient. No, amendments is not sufficient. Come out of that. You need to relearn everything. And that is not a difficult process. Don't think I already know this chapter in bold scheme. I prepared so many times. Now I will just focus on the new chapters more. No, it will not work. It will not work. When you are changing the structure, you need to change your pattern of learning as well. I strongly recommend this. This will improve your success rate like anything. Now you might think, sir, we can't afford that much coaching fees. No need to afford that much, ma. See, by keeping every one of this, every student, by keeping in mind their income levels, everything, we designed this subscription model. Getting it? We wanted to, provide education at most reasonable price. But the quality of education, I bet, I challenge, find any institute in India of your choice, CA institute, and I can challenge, none of that institute matches with our quality of classes. with our quality of recordings, or with our quality of content that we give, it will not match. I'm very confident even this much strong statement I never made before as well. Slowly we developed over a period of 2 years. We improvised in every aspect of content delivery, and today we are making this statement. So believe in us, take with a subscription model, especially IPCC old scheme students, whoever is spending, and you see a remarkable difference in your learning. You will only understand by the time you finish one chapter in every subject, you will understand you learned a lot many things that you don't know. Remember, exam standards have changed a lot. Still you are in the same old IPCC thought process, which is not correct. You are still at the failure rate. See, if you put extreme hard work and luck favors you, you will definitely qualify. I'm not saying you don't qualify, but which is a most difficult route, most riskier route. I am asking you to change the route so that the success rate will increase. And IPCC old scheme students strictly prohibit test series. If you risk now by taking test series under new scheme and want to prepare on your own, then go to the test series. Maybe same questions whatever you prepare, it will come with the amounts change, but your learning will not come. In examination it will not repeat. Remember, in examination what is tested is your analysis and your concept, and not whatever the problem you solved earlier, what are the question you solved earlier. Many of you, whoever is watching, especially IPC, would have seen my audit marathon. Many of you, I strongly feel you have seen my audit marathon. Until you see my audit marathon, what is your perception on auditing? And after you see my marathon, what is your perception? Just think of it. Just remember, just recap what happened in that auditing subject alone. The same magic will repeat for all the subjects of CA Inter New Scheme. Believe me, along with me, we have a set of faculties in my team. Obviously, I always want my team members also to be at par with me, or in fact better than me. Whoever can teach better than me. Definitely, I cannot keep a team member who is underperformer than me. Obviously, right? If I do that, even my value will reduce. Correct or not? So we rest have only one subject, only very limited number of faculties, but who are all gems, pillars. Getting it? If you listen to them, you will only understand. So coaching is most important thing for all the IPCC old scheme students who are converting into new scheme and want to plan for May attempt or November attempt. The recordings are available in our application. And what is the approach? Just one day ago, I already uploaded a video. Just go through that and then you will get an idea. Share this video to all IPCC students. If at all you mentally decided, completely you decided to withdraw from the CA curriculum, CA, like entire CA thing you want to withdraw, all the best for you. But once you take a decision, stand on that. You don't want to withdraw. You want to try this one more last attempt. Just one more time you want to try under new scheme. When you're trying, when you decided to try one last attempt, one more trial, do it with ultimate perfection. When we have to try one last attempt, one last trial, we must do it with utmost care, utmost attention, because that is a deciding factor for your life changing. See, that attempt will change your life, obviously. Why? If at all you qualified, you proceed further. If not, you change entirely, completely to another route. So this is very crucial time for all IPCC students, whoever is converting into new scheme. Compulsorily think carefully. Don't be in assumption once again. Don't be in assumption that most of the chapters are same. So no need of coaching. I'll directly go and join test series, or I'll directly go and prepare study hours, revision exams. No, it will not work. Without learning, whatever you learned at IPCC, I don't think it's a learning at all, because you learned 3 years ago when the market is very, very outdated. If today itself, there are many players in the industry who are outdated, still outdated. That is the reason why they are not successful online. Many active players, so-called reputed topmost institutes, who claim they are outdated, they can't compete with us. Simple. This itself is a proof. They themselves are outdated. Their new scheme itself is outdated. What is updated? You just download our application and watch few demo videos which are available. You will understand. You'll understand. In YouTube itself, in my playlist, demo videos are there. You just watch. So don't be an assumption that you know already the syllabus. No. What you know is 20% standard. What is required is 100% standard. And I'm asking you to come not at least 100, but at least 75, so that your success rate will improve. If you're in the same 20% standard, put lot of amount of hard work, and maybe if luck favors, you'll qualify. Otherwise, the chances of failure is very high. I generally don't ask anybody to join with the subscription model. You see all my videos previously also, I will not ask. I will just mention details. Join with us, I won't tell. But since you are at the edge of your decision making career, for you, I must openly tell you what are the facts. So I spoke little bold enough now in this video to make you understand the importance of coaching under new scheme for old scheme students. So kindly realize that and then take a decision, take a wise decision. And conclusion, first register in the new scheme. Don't wait up to the last date. I'm telling you, register. If possible, 3rd March itself you register maximum, or by 5th March register and apply for the examinations. In the meantime, okay, get classes from either us or some other institute who believe firmly, okay, in the principles that we believe. Since Resta today is not just a normal online institute, we were acclaimed as the best institute for getting conceptual clarity. Many students, I'm proud enough to say, many students who struggle a lot in their earlier coaching or whatever, they come to us and you ask them what is their feedback, how their experience is, the coaching experience with us. We only give recorded classes. We don't take live classes. We don't. So go and ask them the advice, like about how the classes at us, how the response from us for doubts, clarification, whatever. Take right decision. Don't be in confusion. That's it. Okay. And if you're having any doubts, put as a comment in this video. After 1 week, I will sum up all the comments and make a new video. That's it. Carry on. Have a nice time. All the best. Do take a wise decision. Bye bye.